Introducing a new enhancement, tagging and notifications. In this first section, we're going to cover updating your app settings. So administrators, go to your app settings. You will now see there's a new app setting for hashtag mode. The default is the administered mode. In the open mode, everyone can create a hashtag dynamically by typing in the note field. In this mode, you will not be able to edit or delete any hashtags. In the administered mode, anyone who has add hashtag access rights can create a hashtag. In this mode, hashtag can be edited or deleted from the hashtag management screen. Let's show you a couple of examples how you can use tagging and hashtags in daily reports. One of the first things you'll notice is we have some new options in the note fields. We have bold, italics, underline, bullet points. This makes the note fields much more dynamic. We have several hashtags that we have created to use as examples here. Each facility should consider carefully the hashtags that they create. If you have any questions about recommendations, just email me. Here I've created a disposition change for a birth, and then I can tag the sire and the dam in the note field. As I will show you later, not only are the hashtags searchable, but also allow for notifications. One of our users' favorite features is the ability to add attachments of photos, videos, and documents. Users can now add notes to attachments. You can tag the animal, tag users, tag sections. You can also add hashtags that relate to the attachment. This note just has a couple of examples. I've got an attachment photo and that it is in South America hoofstock. Now I've gone ahead and added the cria to a subsection down here. I wanted to show how you can add a measurement. After adding a measurement, you can now add relevant tags or hashtags here as well. Let me remind administrators to go to roles and permissions and to set the values for hashtags. Now let me show an example of tagging in a medical record. You can see in the note field for the problem description that there's a hashtag and that the vet has been tagged. You can set up notifications that based on either one of those, the vet would have been alerted to a problem. There is now a new hashtag management section. Under Administration, select Hashtag Management. Administrators, for your users to be able to see this page, they must have the permission to view hashtags. From this page, you can search tags and hashtags. Simply by clicking on the tag or hashtag, it takes you to the source. The hashtag page also displays trends and recently mentioned items. I can also select a hashtag. Notice here the add hashtag. That is only displayed for those with permission to add hashtags. So on this page it displays where that hashtag was used, but you can see you can subscribe to this hashtag. This first one is to subscribe to receive a daily summary. You also have the option to subscribe to a hashtag and get an email sent immediately. You also have the ability to edit or delete hashtags. Now let's talk about notifications and subscriptions. Users notice that when you click on your name, you see notification subscriptions. Administrators will see global notifications. The default global notifications all relate to managing your account, but let's show you how you can add subscriptions for your entire facility. So here I'm going to subscribe to a hashtag here for a disposition for birth. Then I'm going to add not just a user, but you can add by role, and we'll select the administrator, we'll select the zoo vet role, and we'll select the zoo registrar. Let's save that. Here's the new hashtag subscription that I set up under global notifications. If I change this setting to yes, all of those roles will receive notifications immediately. Notifications are not just for tagging and hashtagging. Here you can see I've selected to receive a summary of the daily report and to receive immediate notifications if a medical reminder or tasks and checklist have been left unchecked. And in this final section you can see my hashtag subscriptions. The email me setting allows you to get a summary at the end of the day. Real time sends notifications immediately. In this last section, let's just take a look at a sample of the email notifications. The daily report note from Africa is a hyperlink and will take you to the place in the software that hashtag was mentioned. There was a lot of ground to cover, so if you have any questions or need suggestions on how to set it up, email me at dave@animalcaresoftware.com.